Hey guys, about Greek, Greek letters Loris. If you want to, you can kill New, since he's technically an enemy. He's an enemy. I mean, not really, but he is. Yeah, I mean, if you want to, you can. On the audition, he appears. On the episode, he appears. But also, you cannot kill Sigma or Delta, which is this little group I'm drawing over here. So yeah, that's the extra notes. Sigma will not appear until the audition, until his episode. So yeah, those are some warnings. Do not kill Delta at all. So yeah.